From the moment I arrived, I got out of my taxi. It was about 7 o'clock at night, and the air smelled like jasmine. And right away, I just knew this is going to be a great place. I'm Lindsay, and I'm here taking the 300-hour advanced teacher training course. My experience here has far outreached what I thought I would come here for. And I knew coming for a yoga teacher training that it would be intensive, that it'd be getting to the core of who I am, of life, of spirituality through physical ways. But yeah, it's just been beautiful. The setting, the location, the food, it's been so nourishing, and I'm not looking forward to it coming to a close. I wish it would go on longer. That's difficult because there's been so many. We start our days at 5:30 with meditation. And it's still dark outside. We go and you're just kind of half bleary-eyed from just waking up, and you stumble into the meditation hall. And it's such a perfect way to start the day. And the meditations are so clear and precise. They're led by Swamiji, and he just knows exactly what to say. And I've experienced meditation in a different light than I have in the past. It feels very simple, yet very deep, and it's a really great way to set the day and prepare for what's next to come. I feel all the teachings and all the classes have really built this really solid base to be able to teach yoga. I came with the intention to just deepen my yoga, and now I feel really prepared to teach in a different sense. And I also wanted to experience what yoga is like in its motherland, and the teachings here have just been exactly what I imagined, and I feel so much more connected to the practice and to India in general and to myself.